Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashon Brown. Gas prices are going up tomorrow. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will cost 25 cents more. 25 cents will be added to the price of automotive and ultra-low sulfur diesel as well as kerosene. The price for propane will go up by $2.97 while butane will increase by $3.06. Oil prices traded lower today. Oil for delivery in June lost 49 cents to settle at $25.29 per barrel. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark is assuring Jamaicans who applied for the Compassionate Grant Program that they will have enough time to collect their funds. Dr. Clark gave the assurance while making a presentation in Parliament yesterday. Andrew Laidley reports.
This is a snapshot of what remittance locations across the island look like on Monday. Hundreds of Jamaicans rushing to get their hands on the financial relief the government had promised them. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark now assuring applicants that there's no need to rush.
Where eligible applicants have received a text message that they have qualified for a compassionate grant and the grant is ready, please know that the compassionate grant will be with that financial institution for you until the 30th of June. Now, clearly, if it goes to a bank account, it's there, it's yours forever. But for a remittance company, it's there until the 30th of June, which it gives you all of May to collect. It gives you all of June to collect.
The government received over 500,000 applications across the available grant types. More than 400,000 of those applications were for the compassionate grant. As for those who failed to collect by the end of June,
we have to be accountable for the funds. So where the government transfers funds to a remittance company for a beneficiary, the public financial management responsibility is that if those funds are not collected by a certain date, the funds are returned to the consolidated fund.
He says the Accountant General is involved in every step of the disbursement process to ensure that all procedures are followed correctly. And in order to simplify the collection process, Dr. Clark says other components are being considered, especially for the elderly and most vulnerable.
Government is at the same time exploring mechanisms for the third-party collection of compassionate grants for persons who are over 65 years of age. And that's something that we're looking into, Mr. Speaker.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
The Jamaican dollar continued to devalue today, reaching another historic low against the greenback. At the end of trading, the US dollar was selling for $147.13. The Canadian dollar closed at $105.52. The pound is going for $181.61, while the euro closed the day at $161.87. The JC index lost 981 points today, and the junior market index is down by 1 point. Among the winners were SSL Venture Capital, Everything Fresh, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, and Caribbean Cream. On the losing side were Portland JSX, Knutsford Express Services, Key Insurance, Dolphin Cove, and the JMB Group 7.5%. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashon Brown. Good evening.